Do you want to create hyper-realistic images like this using Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro? Because what you are about to see will surprise you. Higgsfield is currently offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for a whole year, and this new engine is no joke. Nano Banana Pro is a next-generation image model built for creators who want clean, production-ready visuals without spending hours fixing mistakes. You get crisp 2K and 4K output, better character stability, sharper details, and scenes that actually look real, not AI glossy. If you've been searching for a tool that can generate cinematic portraits, product shots, fashion visuals, or storytelling images with almost no touch-ups, then this is exactly what you've been waiting for. Let me show you how it works, step by step. Let's dive in. Open your browser and search for Higgsfield.ai. When the homepage loads, the first thing to do is either log in or sign up if you're new. Click on Sign Up, then continue with Google for the fastest access. Next, click here to open Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro. If you don't see the shortcut, simply hover your mouse over Images on the top panel and select Nano Banana Pro from the list of tools. As you can see, the Nano Banana Pro interface is simple and straight to the point. It is powered by the Gemini 3.0 reasoning engine and can generate photorealistic 4K visuals with accurate prompt interpretation and incredibly fast processing speed. If you're not sure what to create, you can click this button to auto-generate a sample prompt. It is a quick way to see how the tool works. After a few seconds, it will produce a demo image. Here, you can immediately see how clean and detailed the output is. Now let's go back and try a personalized prompt to test the full quality. Use this sample prompt, a hyper-realistic photo of a young African male standing beside a glowing futuristic AI workstation, soft cinematic lighting, sharp facial details, dramatic shadows, ultra-crisp textures, perfect color balance, shot on a high-end DSLR. Make sure the image generation model is set to Nano Banana Pro. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, then select the quality you want, whether 1K, 2K, or 4K. You can also enable unlimited mode if you have no credits and want to generate images for free. After setting everything up, click Generate and wait a few seconds. Note that you can also upload up to 8 reference images of your choice. And boom, you can see that the AI has produced another impressive result. If you like the image, click here to download it. You can also regenerate the output if you want something different, or click here to delete it from your history. When you hover your mouse over the Edit button, you'll see several edit options, including Draw to Edit, Upscale, Product Placement, In-Paint, and Multi-Reference features. You can also animate any generated image. Under the Animate section, you can turn your picture into a video, make the character speak, or use the UGC tool. Let's click Video to animate this image. Inside the Image-to-Video interface, start by writing your video prompt. Let me paste a prompt I have already prepared. After that, choose the video model you prefer. You have multiple options here, so feel free to pick the one that matches your style. Choose the video duration, then select the resolution, either 720p or 1080p. Finally, choose your aspect ratio and click Generate. Sit back and wait for the result. Now let's play the result and see what we got. I believe you can clearly see how smooth, stable, and realistic the animation looks. Higsfield handled the motion perfectly and kept every detail sharp. You can keep adjusting the prompt and the model until you get some that you're happy with.
Now let's try something different. In the Higgsfield Nano Banana interface, enter a prompt like this: a hyper-realistic 4K portrait of a neutral-looking young adult with balanced features, light-medium skin tone, short generic hairstyle, clean face, no identifiable ethnicity, wearing a simple, plain t-shirt. Soft cinematic lighting, detailed skin texture, natural shadows, crisp depth of field. The character stands in a minimal studio background, facing forward with a calm expression, perfect for talking animations. Hit generate and wait a few seconds for the results. You can see how clean and realistic the output looks, with sharp facial detail and a natural studio finish. It is perfect for animation or voice-driven scenes. This time, we are going to try the Speak feature to see how well it performs. Hover over Animate and select Speak. On this page, enter what you want your character to say. Next, describe the scene you imagine, adding simple details to guide the animation. Select the model you want to use. Choose the duration and pick the aspect ratio you prefer. Hit Generate and wait for the results.
The Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro offers unparalleled 4K resolution, unlimited use, and our next-gen engine for creative professionals.
If you like the outcome, go ahead and download the video, and if not, simply regenerate it.
Higsfield is currently offering something huge, and it is only available until the end of this week, November 23rd. Anyone who signs up during this period gets unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for an entire year. That means unlimited 4K, unlimited realism, unlimited creativity. And the best part is their pricing. Higsfield currently offers some of the most affordable AI image tools in the industry. To be fully transparent, here is the comparison graphic below showing exactly how their pricing stacks up against other platforms. If you enjoyed this breakdown and you want more tutorials like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I upload simple and practical AI tool reviews to help you create better content with less effort. Share this video with someone who might need it, and feel free to drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.